How to connect your phone to Tata Nexon Bluetooth, step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your smartphone to the Bluetooth system of your Tata Nexon car. Whether it's your first time or you're just pairing your device, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and quick. Some models of the Tata Nexon may have some differences in the infotainment interface depending on the year and the variant. If your screen looks a bit different, read your car's user manual for the exact steps. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. First, unlock your smartphone and go to your Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and your phone is discoverable. Step 2. Navigate to phone setup in your car. On the menu of your Tata Nexon, swipe to the right until you find the option Phone Setup, and then tap to start pairing your device. Step 3. Start the pairing process. Inside the phone setup screen, select Pair New Device. After this, double check that your phone's Bluetooth is still on and ready to connect. Step 4. Find the car's Bluetooth on your phone. Now, look at the media screen on your car. The Bluetooth device name will appear there. Go back to your phone and in the list of available devices, select the name that matches your car. If your phone asks for permission to sync contacts and messages, allow it to get the full experience. Step 5. You're connected. And that's it. Your phone is now connected. You can start listening your music, make calls, and enjoy hands-free control while driving. Here are some tips if you find any issues. Ensure both devices have Bluetooth turned on and are discoverable. Restart your phone and the car's infotainment system. Delete any previous pairings and try the process again. Consult your car's user manual for specific instructions. And that's the full tutorial on how to connect your phone to the Tata Nexon's Bluetooth. It's fast, easy, and super convenient. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe on the channel for more simple tips like this. See you in the next video. Thanks.